Welcome back to CarsBning, your ultimate stop for the hottest rides of tomorrow. Today, we dive into a legend reborn, the 2026 Datsun 240Z. The iconic Z car returns with a futuristic twist, blending retro charm with cutting-edge design. Its aggressive front fascia, sharp LED headlights, and sleek curves scream performance from every angle. The glossy black model steals the spotlight, but the full color palette lineup is just as stunning. This isn't just nostalgia, it's a bold statement for the modern era. So buckle up, because we're about to break down what makes this Z truly special. Step inside and you'll see where heritage meets modern luxury. The 2026 Datsun 240Z greets you with premium black leather seats stitched in contrast red for that sporty edge. A fully digital cockpit with futuristic HUD elements takes center stage, delivering all the information you need in style. Carbon fiber accents run across the console, adding to its performance-inspired look. The retro-inspired steering wheel is a subtle nod to the original 240Z, blending old-school soul with new-school design. Ambient LED lighting sets the tone, customizable to match your drive. This isn't just a cabin, it's a cockpit crafted for thrill seekers. Now let's talk about the heart of this machine. Under the hood, the 2026 240Z roars with a twin-turbo V6, tuned for raw, exhilarating power. Expect horsepower figures pushing past the 400 mark, delivering instant torque and pulse-racing acceleration. The engine bay itself looks like artwork, with carbon fiber covers and illuminated accents showcasing its performance-first DNA. But it's not just about brute force, the engineering ensures it's equally at home on the track or the city streets. With advanced suspension, precise tuning, and stability-enhancing tech, this car is built for both speed and control. Simply put, the Z's performance is pure adrenaline. On the road, the 2026 Datsun 240Z transforms into an experience you won't forget. Whether carving through mountain twisties or cruising long highways, its wide stance and aerodynamic profile keep it planted firmly in every curve. The steering is razor-sharp, giving you total confidence and feedback at every turn. Acceleration is instant, delivering that push-you-back-in-your-seat thrill that true drivers crave. Dynamic drive modes adapt the car to your mood, from sporty aggression when you're chasing excitement, to smooth comfort when you just want to cruise. And at night, those sleek LED taillights light up the road with absolute style. So, what's the final verdict on the 2026 Datsun 240Z? It's not just a revival of a classic, it's a redefinition of an icon. From the sleek retro-modern design to a tech-packed interior, this car nails the balance between past and future. The engine delivers the raw performance that Z fans have always loved, while the refinement makes it just as practical for daily drives. On the road, it's engaging, stylish, and undeniably powerful, everything you'd want from a sports car. Nostalgia meets the future here, and the result is breathtaking. This is CarsBning, and that was your first look at the all-new Datsun 240Z 2026. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more automotive deep dives.